Hiya folks, JD here. How was everyone's week last week? Good? Good. Right, this week we've got a lot of stuff coming. We've got, as usual, a lot of videos and range. Oh, I think it's all quads this week if I remember correctly. So we've got some unboxings, we've got some sponsored content, we've got some, don't forget, you'll notice the sponsored content because it says at the top the company's name. We've got some unboxings, got some flight tests, got some indoor flight tests, some outdoor flight tests, lots of stuff. Right, so what is it that we've got? Well, if I just stop and if I angle this around the other way, there we go. We have, my friends, all of that. So, as you can see, it's a lot of stuff. As usual, in keeping with the standard one video a day, which I'm trying to keep up with. It is getting me quite tired, but I'm trying to keep up with it. So, there we are. I hope you all have a great week, my friends. Thanks ever so much for watching and subscribing, being a part of the community. Let me know what you think in the comments. It means the world. It really does. With all your comments as well, I can move on. Which brings me actually to one point. If you don't like my content and if you do think about giving me a thumbs down, that's fine. It's entirely up to you to do that. Can you just let me know what it is you don't like about that content, just so I can get better? I have asked this in comments, in text links. I haven't got anywhere. I'm going to try via video, see exactly what I get back in return. I do really appreciate people's constructive feedback. If you're just going to say, oh, dude, you're terrible, then keep that to yourself, because that's not constructive and I can't get better from that. So there we are, folks. I'm going to stop waffling. You have a great week. I shall see you all very, very soon. Take care, my friends. Happy flying.